Mario. And I will be giving you all a plumbing tutorial today. But I do not have too much experience with plumbing, so you may not want to take my ideas. Alright, here we go. Yeah, both ways now. Oh. I'm kidding, I'm not Mickey Mouse. Me, Mouse. Alright, so first part of the journey. Take your plunger. Open it in the toilet. Take out whatever, you know. Alright. Second part. Mario's Master Plumbing Tutorial. Open up whatever you need to fix. Take out this little wrench thing. Right here. Where it fits in. Crank it. Water spray up. Crank it back on. Go. Crank. Crank. Luigi's sick right now. I'm just doing it in my house. Mario, what are you doing? I'm getting you to a plumbing tutorial, Mom. Shut up. Just kidding. Quiet, please. Okay. Next. She shove it down there in the poop. Mario, stop it! You're screaming too loud. You're gonna wake up Luigi. Fine. Hey, Sheena. All right. Well, if the sink needs fixing, this right here. Cork. Soap needs fixing. Soap needs fixing. Alright. That's what. Toad! Stop leaving your banana peels on the floor! Donkey Kong. Yes, that's all for my plumbing tutorial. Don't forget to What up, mushroom? Where'd it go? Fell into the hole.